How you doing? I'm Cory Hunter, and here I am, watching my favorite scenes from my favorite movies. Hopefully you enjoy these scenes as much as I do, and yeah, man, just thank you for rocking out with me, and we're gonna dive into it. What we're diving into today is Oblivion. I feel like it's underrated, man. I don't hear a lot of people speaking about Oblivion. But I like the movie, man. I really dig it. I think I'm gonna do a film analysis on it. I just feel like when I do a film analysis on it, I'm gonna have to really dig into the movie. And creating these videos is time consuming. So it might take a little bit of time, but we're gonna get to it. So yeah, let's watch this scene. Figure we start the scene right here. Because I don't think you need it in context. Watch the scene, you should be able to pick up what's going on. The reason it's power in images. The reason I chose the scene is because there isn't a lot of actors in the scene. It's a total of 3 actors in the scene. And as filmmakers, sometimes we believe that we can do this if we have 3 actors, and we can't, because it's not just 3 actors. It's the set and the talent attached to it. It's a very simple scene, but it feels so much grander.
It's not safe here. And we need to leave now.
It was always her. Wasn't it?
Victor. She's my wife.
Know what I'm saying? Look at this. It's the acting. Did you see the camera push in as she drew closer, making the scene a little bit more intense?
Mission, this is Tower 49.
Go ahead, 49.
No.
I'm having a problem with my technician.
And this is and it's not even a problem. It's just something that we just need to be aware of. As indie filmmakers, as filmmakers who haven't reached the indie level yet, somebody that's just creating content, we would like to believe that we have talent that can match their talent, but usually if you want this kind of talent, you got to pay for it. And even if you do stumble upon some really great talent, it's not as developed as these actors. Her tears, his seriousness, their acting, their energy, their aura is what sells the scene. And mind you, yes, the CG works. The money works. Look. Because even now, it's still simple, but it's a lot happening.
Go now.
And yes, and that's where the money also comes in terms of sets and stuff. You want to go in the backyard and film stuff, but this is an expensive game. You gotta invest in wardrobe. You gotta invest in sets. But the talent is what really drives it back.
Things you need to know.
I don't want to know!
Jack.
Oh, I like this scene a lot, man. I like the visuals, I like the acting, but I like the editing of it. You hear the score? Look at this. Alright, I think I'm gonna drop it right here. I think I'm gonna leave it right here. Yo, man, if you haven't seen Oblivion, go watch Oblivion. I bang with it. It's a sci-fi movie. And it's good, man. It's really good. It's simple, but if you rock out with it, it's saying something, all right? You might have to watch it more than once to get what it's saying, but even on its first viewing, it's a good movie. But yeah, thank you for watching this with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And you already know we out here.